Alright, got a trade recap for today. Traded the AM session. I'm only recording this now because I had shit to do. But yeah, took this L coming into the week, unfortunately. Um, Not an awful trade, to be honest. I don't mind this trade at all. Yeah, just unfortunate. I had a bullish. What's going on my computer? I had a bullish bias coming today. I tried catching this internal buy model back up to data highs. I thought before we come any lower, these data highs have to be taken. I ended up just getting stopped out, and then we've just been chopping now until obviously Trump was speaking at 6 p.m. my time. Um, Excuse me, but yeah, man, bias coming into the day. If we zoom out to a 4-hour chart, um, I wanted to see. Let's go over to NQ. I want to see continuation to the upside. So we've had this high time frame market structure shift. Obviously, we delivered off weekly sell side. We pulled back down into this daily fair value gap. Then we bought back up again. So coming into open today, I noticed we have these relative equal highs and this swing point here, buy side. So I want to see these become the draw, and I just target the internal high. So zooming into a 15, we're delivering at this 1 hour gap. We opened up, if I go market replay, what the fuck? Oh, here we go. For the market replay. Yeah, so he was open. We just placed the upside. We opened up this 15-minute bullish gap. If I zoom into a 1 minute here, we end up putting in a date high. We come down to this 15-minute gap. And we end up holding. ES looked a little bit cleaner, so I took it over on there, and it looked as if ES was going to run the high first. Now, what was it? This candle? Yeah. So we ended up getting some pretty good after this short little retrace, tapping in and respecting this 1 minute bullish gap. We come up, we take the internal high, we open up this gap, and then we displace through that high, and we open up this gap. I got a shitty fill because I had noticed that NQ had already tapped in to this bullish gap, so I just entered on where my risk parameters were correct, which was here. I ended up getting filled. We come up, and then we ended up putting in this SMT. On top of that, if I've gone a bit too far there, we had opened up this 1 minute bullish gap. So I should have said to myself, cool, if we're going to continue bullish, we're going to respect this, and we're going to end up coming up, taking data highs. So I could have trailed my stops to this low and taken off a lot of risk. I didn't do that. Just is what it is, man. Mistake on my behalf. So yeah, ended up, and then I got slipped as well. So that's why my P&L was slightly bigger today. Lost around 470 on each, so around $1,000. I was risking 400, and I got slipped because I was with a mini as well. It was slightly heavier, but yeah, got this big Drake candle to the downside, and then we ended up retracing, and then we sell off a little bit, and then we just consolidate. It just goes into chop mode. So in all honesty, I don't hate this trade. Data highs was a strong draw. The model was there, and ES looked pretty clean. NQ a little bit choppy, but yeah, I thought ES was going to deliver to that high, man. Other ways I could have looked at the market today, I mean, I don't know. Let's see. So zoom out to 15. Okay, so let's see. Market opens, we run up and we take this 15-minute buy side liquidity, and then we do have high time frame draws lower. But again, I want it to be bullish, especially holding this 1 hour gap. I mean, I guess after taking out this buy side and inversing this 5 minute, but then again, at the same time, we held the 15. We held this 15-minute gap, so I would have wanted to take longs. Yeah, we end up retracing. We tap into this breaker that we got going on here. Hold it, and then, I mean, there's not even a fucking short entry for me here. 2 minute, 3 minute. I mean, I could have taken a 3 minute short off that gap, but there was just no. I would not have shorted against these data highs sat here, man. But you could take it to that sell side level there for 1.3, I guess. Okay, even that hasn't played. Oh yeah, it did. Cool. But again, there's no high time frame context behind that trade for me. I didn't want to see lower prices. I wanted to see us come up and take that data high. One of them. Yeah, so didn't hate the trade today, is what it is. Yeah, just a choppy ass day. How could I have avoided it? I mean, zooming out to maybe a 5 minute chart, 15 minute chart, and just... Again, I didn't hate this 15 minute chart though. Prior to me taking the trade, I like this. This isn't chop. This is clear displacement to the upside and a pullback, and we respect the gap. So I didn't mind it. I did not mind it. But anyways, that's a loss, boys. We accept it and we move on. So already done my journaling for the day. Could have avoided a slight bit of protected a bit of capital by trailing the stops, but anyways, we're going into chop now. We still got these data highs sat up here, so we'll see what market does with that. We should come up and take them. I haven't actually got that saved. Shit. So yeah, not a great way to start the week, but I mean, just accept it and move on. As long as I manage my risk now for the rest of the week and continue just following my model, then I'll be fine. So there's a trade recap for Monday the 6th of April. Done. I'll catch you boys tomorrow.